Tired of missing your prayer times daily during work, 9 to 5, during your business, startup, college assignments, school work? Well, I got you. Now you can get prayer reminders directly on your home screen in the notification corner for Windows 10, 11 laptops. As you see over here, I have an option to say pray now and it stops, or if I press pray later, constantly it'll keep on giving you notifications until inshallah you pray your prayers on time. The other app that supports notifications are My Prayers, and there is no way you can dismiss these. You need to press them and feel guilty if you don't pray on time. So, inshallah, let's start with the first one. And before we do that, we have to talk about the third contender, which is Salat first. Again, one of the top apps that I've used over here. So, let's start with As-Salat. As-Salat is basically a hidden gem in the Microsoft Store. It gives you all the prayer times and Qiblas and everything. So you can set it up quickly over here. You go to settings, pretty simple uh, settings over here, as well as calculations depending on where you are, and notifications. And you can also subscribe for early notifications. In my case, I have the sounds off because of work, but at least I get some good crispy notifications, as you can see over here. It gives me a notification. What do I need to do? And again, if you go back, you can see the interface is pretty slick, pretty straightforward, no bells and whistles, straight to the point. I get a Salah time and it gives me an option. I press pray now and the prayer time is gone. And my bad, also Salah first has a notification. We're going to get that to that later. So, how to get this app? You need to go to the Microsoft Store on Windows 10 or 11 laptops and basically type in Asalat, ASSALAAT, download it, give it a 5 thumbs up. Great app with lifestyles and persistent Salah notification. Keep on going. So that's there you go. That's the first one. Let's move to the second one, which is my second personal favorite. It's called My Prayers, and you can also get this app on the Microsoft Store. The interface is lovely, and it has a hidden trick up its sleeve, which I'll get to that in a minute. So the interface is good. It was basically built for mobile because it's a UWP, I don't know what it stands for. It works on laptop pretty well. So when you come here, you're greeted in settings with pretty standard notifications and location settings. Again, it's automatic or manual. It's pretty easy. Notification settings. The best is lifestyle notifications that I get. Just at a glance, I can see. And again, the best part is lock screen status. So what I could do is I could go into lock screen status and put this app, my as-salat or prayer times, and get the actual prayer times. Now, because of the recording limitation, I cannot show you that, but it does pop up slightly over here. It gives you prayer time every time your corporate personal laptop gets closed and you open it from standby. You'll be greeted with the next prayer time. Alhamdulillah, great blessing indeed. The last one is display settings, and this is also pretty standard. You can use an image or you cannot use a display image in the background. But in my case, and coming to the last one, what's the notification we get? So for my prayers, we get a nice notification. Again, not as persistent as As-Salat, where it says that if you're not praying, snooze the alarm. But over here, it's just a simple yes or a no. The last app on my list is Salat First, and visually, this is the most beautiful one compared to the other ones. They have a nice tile, but I prefer this size. And again, for the other apps also, you can resize them, get more information at a glance. So let's dive into this app. Before that, let me show you how to get this app, My Prayers, before I forget. And again, this is My Prayers. Let's give it 5 points. Great app with notification and blockchain time support. Yep, these developers, they deserve every bit of support from us. And now that you know where to download this from, I'm gonna come to the last app, that's Salat first. Again, the tile is just beautiful. The backgrounds keep changing with Salah. Pretty straightforward app. Prayer times, Qibla. One of the good things you get over here is the monthly timetable. So if it's Ramadan or Zulhijjah, you can just go in and see uh, what's required nearby mosques. Didn't explore this feature yet. Hadith, and the last one is Azkar. Let's go into settings. Pretty standard settings. I use 24-hour Azkar settings. These are basically the notification for prayers and some standard settings. Uh, I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, this app has a notification which I just cleared, and I hope that you guys download these apps, make benefit, constant reminders. Especially when you're stuck in 9 to 5 doing a task and you miss your prayers. This is going to be the best tool. So here we go. Again, as-salat and my prayers, followed by salat first. So download these three gems, and please don't forget to like, share these videos, and comment anything you guys want. And inshallah, I can explore more. And have a great day. And remember me in your duas. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.